It's easy to see the appeal of investing in a new in-house land package. It's an easy option and comes with quite a few advantages, but do these benefits outweigh the negatives? Hey everyone, Andy Trin from Duotac, here for another video designed to help you become a better property investor. If you've been looking into building your dream home, you know that it comes with a long list of things to check off. You need to set a budget, choose a block of land, design your home, find builders, and secure finance. Instead of buying a vacant land and looking for a designer and a builder to create your home, you can opt for a house and land package. It's cost effective and a convenient approach that will cut out a lot of the stress that comes with building your own home. A house and land package is a bundle that is usually sold by property developers as a two-in-one deal, the vacant block of land and the cost to construct a house on it. But as is the case with any property venture, there are a few disadvantages that need to be considered when determining whether a house and land package is the right option for you. So we are here to help you weigh up the potential pros and cons of going this route. Before we start, we want to be clear that this video is for informational purposes. In no way should you interpret this as financial advice. We always recommend working with a qualified financial advisor or tax agent to give you the best advice for your situation. Okay, let's start by looking at some of the benefits of a house and land package. The biggest advantage of buying a house and land package is probably the fact that it makes the process of building a new custom home a lot simpler. This is because you don't need to look for a block of land first and then find the right builder for the job. Instead, you can tick off both of these boxes at once, and you'll have the point of contact to help you through the entire process. When you purchase a house and land package, you'll typically be presented with a variety of home designs and block sizes to choose from, which means you have the opportunity to create something that suits your needs, taste, and budget. You can also save big with house and land packages. For starters, the land component of a house and land package may often be lower in price because new housing estates are usually located in outer suburban or regional areas where the land is cheaper. And if construction hasn't started yet, you'll only have to pay for stamp duty on the land part of the purchase. If you're a first home buyer, you can also access the First Home Owners Grant offered by state governments. In most parts of Australia, the government grants are available for first home buyers in the form of a lump sum payment to assist with purchasing a property. These vary from state to state. For example, in New South Wales, you can apply for a $10,000 grant if the total cost of the house and land package is not more than $750,000. And if you're buying a house and land package as an investment option, there are also a lot of savings. For example, newly built properties attract a significant amount of depreciation savings. You can check out our YouTube video to see just how much you can save on a brand new property. Now on to the things you need to be careful of. First of all, it's important to read your contract carefully, because what often happens is that there are things you may have thought would be included, but are in fact actually considered extras. For example, you may walk through a beautiful display home, but discover that these things don't come standard and need to be purchased separately, or for an additional fee. This leads me to another potential disadvantage. Once you start adding these extras, the cost of the build can increase well beyond what you may have initially budgeted for. Another consideration to weigh up against the more affordable cost of location: the majority of house and land packages are situated on the city outskirts. These locations tend to lack infrastructure and have weaker economic drivers. This means that it can be more difficult to come by capital growth. So you'll have to do enough research to make sure that there is enough growth potential. Otherwise, it may be more cost effective in the short term, but counterproductive in the long term. Another major consideration is the uncertainty around the build. When buying off the plan, you really don't know whether the quality of the finishes will meet your expectations or what the surrounding facilities and other homes will be like. The last thing worth considering is that your lot may be small. If having a backyard is a priority for you, then you may need to take the size of the block into account. So there you have it, plenty of things to weigh up. While we hope this video was helpful in guiding your decision around house and land packages, remember to always speak to property professionals, including mortgage brokers and financial advisors, for guidance in relation to your personal circumstances. If you know a friend, colleague, or family members who need to hear this, please make sure you share this video with them. That's it from me. I'm Andy Trin from Duotax. See you next time.